Hello everyone, I want to talk about learning Ansys Maxwell, which is a best software for simulating electromagnetic equipment. But first of all, I want to briefly describe some important part of this software. There are two major parts in this software that you can simulate the desired equipment. Which one of them is the 3D part of it, and the next one is 2D part of it, but I prefer to use the 3D part. If you click on it, you will see a window like this, but as you can see, there are various important factors in it. Before talking about this, talking about how to simulate or desired equipment, it's important to say that you can simulate your equipment in two different ways. The first one is using these ones, I mean using circles, rectangular and something like that to draw what you want and step by step going forward and simulating what you want physically. But I prefer to use predefined objects. I mean when you want to, for example, simulate a generator, you can go to draw, user define primitives, and RM export. For example, you can see concoil. If I click on that, you will see it. It's a kind of coil. Or if I press Ctrl Z, that will go to the one step before this step. If it goes to user defined primitive and you select, for example, PM core, you can see something like an rotor. Or if you go to RM expert and choose, for example, a slot core, you can see let me delete the PM core. Okay, you can see something like an starter. Another important thing to say is that when you simulate all of your project, you have to complete these parts. I mean, you have to complete your model and enter the necessary parameters, boundaries, excitations, miscellaneous parameters, and your final result will goes here and here also. And what can I say? It's important to say that this tutorial is experimental based tutorial. I mean, I want to simulate a paper directly and you can see the result, and by doing this you will be far away from boring tutorials that teach you something step by step, and it will cause a lot of time. I will see you in the next part of it.